have one main guy who's gonna be playing with us with a 1v1 game. And this guy is the reason kung bakit nag-champion ang Ginebra. Siya rin ang reason kung bakit nag-champion ang New York Knicks in the NBA. DCI Manila Basketball. Let's give a warm round of applause to Boss Anton! Boss is in the house, guys. He's mentioned himself one of the best 1v1 players. Sabihan sa JCI Manila Basketball League. So, Boss Anton, you'll be having some 1v1 later on. Ano gusto mong sabihin sa mga kapalaban mo sa 1v1? Ladies and gentlemen, we want you to clear the floor. In this 1v1 game, we have 4 referees. Okay lang yan, warm up lang. Oh! We haven't started yet. Hold on. Come on, guys. Come on. Kalma lang daw. We haven't even started. Clark. Clark stops, taking his time, and no go. Offensive rebound.
Depensa!
Okay. Ano call? Ano call natin?
One-day contract yan. One-day contract yan.
Oh, one-day contract si Leroy sa JCI Manila. It's an import versus export. Import versus export. Leroy! One is the score! That's just the first point, folks. That's just the first point. And, oh, ball is like it out. Oh, Boss Anton misses. Leroy, oh! Who gets it? My foul daw, my foul. Boss Anton, Boss Anton! Stops, with the flex! Leroy, no go! Foul down, there's a foul! Foul! Ayun, say yes on! And this is Sumenas, tatlong referee namin! This is the first 1v1 na may apat na referee, guys!
No!
Boss Anton! At 2:30. May own timeout now, Boss Anton.
Bring it on.
Okay, bring it on now. Boss Anton is ready. 2-1 is the score. Lamang si Boss Anton ng isa. It's over, Leroy! Boss Anton with the rebound. And there's a foul. Foul on Leroy. Foul on Leroy daw. That's a foul on Leroy. So, ball na daw ni Boss Anton. Leroy, I just want to give a cue na that you're in Boss Anton's territory. So, it's your foul. Boss Anton, no go! Leroy has it. Leroy! Oh, that's a dribble! That's a dribble alert to the referee! Dribbling down! I don't know, we have a referee here, Leroy. We have a referee here. Boss Anton has it. Boss Anton! Leroy, you only have one timeout. You only have one timeout all throughout the game. Boss Anton has only. Okay? It's 3-1. Lamang ng dalawa si Boss Anton. First player to make 8 points. Leroy, step back. Leroy, loses it. That's gonna be a travel again. Leroy. Good to know. And guys, papakita ko lang, may taga-masahe pa. Si Boss Anton, ha? Tingnan nyo. Si Boss Anton is up by 4-1. Leroy, you're down by 3. 4-1. Leroy. Boss Anton. away niya. Boss at Leroy. Leroy has it. Oh, and that's gonna be a travel! That's gonna be a travel on Leroy. You're down by one, Leroy. You're down by one. 4-3. Here comes Bosatan. And Bosatan misses Leroy, gets the rebound. And, oh, it's getting physical. Goes to Leroy. And, okay, all players, step aside, folks, step aside. It's a tie ball game. And here comes Bosatan. Bosatan. Oh, with the jab step, Bosatan. And that is good. That is good. Look at those step back premier handles. And fall down. Oh, may fall down. Leroy, what are you doing, Leroy? No, that is good. Leroy, that's not a travel. He went to an expedition. Guys, tignan nyo rin yung bench ni Bosatan. He has a coaching staff. Here we go. Bosatan has it. Bosatan. And this is Leroy. Oh, it's calling a timeout. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, timeout si Bosatan. Nice up. So it's John Yuhiko. Palakpakan naman natin si John, guys. Stepping in for Leroy. Ayan. Guys, even si Bosatan, siya namimili ng bola. That's how powerful this guy is. And here we go, John. John with the fake. John with the take. And John will score! That's what we call a nonchalant shot. Lamang na, 5-4. Lamang na sila. Oh, one block! And there is a foul! May foul daw, John. John, foul ka daw. And and there we go. That's the sportsmanship, guys. Palakpakan naman natin sila, guys. That's what we call sportsmanship. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? 5-4. Attack. Oh, what a fake! What a fake! Napakamot ang ulo si Bosatan doon. Oh, look at that. Handles by John Rodrigo! 6-4. Bosatan! Oh, nowhere to go! Bosatan! And... Foul. Anspo? Was that an Anspo? Oh, unsportsmanlike foul on John! So one free throw kay Bosatan, one free throw daw. Unsportsmanlike foul daw, you know. May stop, after the Anspo. Okay, may substitution now. And this is Robbie Jaworski, son of Dudut Jaworski, a PBA legend. Eto, Bosatan, anak ng PBA legend. Eto makakatapat mo. Eto magandang tanong, kung nakipagpalitan ka ng mga sino lugi. Ha? This is the last sub, ha? Okay guys, last substitution na po ito, ha? Last subs kasi lugi naman si Bosatan, eh. But again, the score is 6-4, ha? 6-4. Lamang ang JCI. Bosatan! And Bosatan! Big up by Chono like this one. 2-pointer now, folks! We are tied at 6-all. Bosatan, tatlo ng taga-JCI yung kinalaban niya, ha? And, oh, look at that. And that's just an, oh, no go, Bosatan with the rebound and over again. Using the height advantage, no, on Bosatan. Oh, and Bosatan calling a timeout. That's how we do it here, folks. And Bosatan went against 3 players, ha. So, hindi mo masisisi, nakakapagod yan. 3 players ang tinapatan ni Bosatan, pero ibig sabihin, ganun kagaling si Bosatan. Imagine nyo, all 6 ang score, 3 ang nakatapat ni Bosatan. Palakpakan naman natin si Bosatan, guys! Change naman si Bosatan! Eto magandang laban, pogi sa pogi. Here we go. Look at that. Oh! And there's an offensive foul! Offensive foul! Imagine nyo, sa isang 1v1, we have 4 referees, Bosatan! And oh! Foul will be called Kita ni Boss Atan, sabi niya, reflection ko yun ah. Sabi niya, parang ako yun. Ayan na. Face-up defense na. This is what we call a face-up defense. Boss Atan. Boss Atan! Nowhere to go! And tumawag na timeout si Boss. Oh! And Boss Atan with the fake basket will count 7-6! Go!
May time out pa
Robbie, that was a really, nakita mo yung crossover timeout ni Boss Atan. What can I say about that crossover timeout?
Ngayon ko lang yung nakita crossover ng timeout. Pinay ko yung pumping timeout.
That's what we call a timeout fake. Only Boss Atan can do that. Palakpakan niyo naman si Boss Atan. So Boss Atan, only one more point. Panalo ka na. 7-6. Lamang si Boss Atan ang isa. 7-6 is the score. Okay? One more point for Boss Atan. Robbie. And Robbie will shoot a one-pointer. One point. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. 1 point now. 1 point. Tama ba guys? 1 point lang. 1 point lang. Ha? 1 point lang daw. 1 point lang. Okay guys, eto na. For the championship. And here you go. Oh, Robbie. Oh, Boss Atan with the fake. Boss Atan. And waiting. And let's go. Foul na. May foul na. May foul na. I really don't know what's happening. Pushing foul. Pushing foul daw sa bola ni Boss Atan. Robbie guarding Boss Atan. And here we go. Boss Atan for the win. Boss Atan, libre. Robbie has it. Robbie sizing up Boss Atan. Oh, timeout now. Timeout. I'm even speechless, folks. This is the Philippines, no? You really can do anything here. A foul! There was a foul during the timeout! Wait! Oh my, that is the first time in history there was a foul during the timeout break. That's why bola ni Boss Atan. First time ever in history. Oh, look at double pick! Double pick! And a goal! Two screens, grabe! From Clarkson and Anon Bayan. And foul si Robbie, no? Foul on Robbie. All 7 guys, ha? Last player to score wins. Oh, timeout. Oh! And there's the fake timeout! And there is the counter! And oh, no count! Ginamit niya yung crossover timeout, pero no, not counted daw. Only Boss Atan can do that. Okay, last score na to, ha? Last player to score. Robbie for the win! In and out, Boss Atan! And Boss Atan wins the game! 9-9 JCI! They were the biggest for me, Robbie Chan and Robbie. Boss Atan! That is the reason why this guy is the Olympic gold medalist. Nagtumpo!
Let's go!